Hi, good evening. Toti Dule here, retired professor. Last time I talked about how to be successful without being extraordinary. This time I'll talk about how to be ethical in all aspects of life. Okay. Now, there are some confusions about how to be ethical because there are conflicting ethical standards. Do you know that utilitarian ethics and Kantian ethics are opposing? They are opposing. Utilitarian ethics says whatever is the result is the basis of ethical standard. If the result is good, whatever you do along the way, it's good. In Kantian ethics, if the result, whatever is the result, as long as the process was done in a nice way or standard way or better way, it's good regardless of the result. So the Kantian ethics concentrate on the process. The utilitarian ethics concentrate on the result. That's a source of conflict because you can justify anything by using either one of the two. See? Now, I'm going to teach you an ethical standard that I learned through the years. No? Okay. It's like this. You're ethical if you don't live at the expense of other people. Yes. For instance, you're a businessman. You're making a lot of money in your factory, but your factory is poisoning the river. The fishermen are unable to catch fish because they're all poisoned by the waste that came out from your factory. You are living at the expense of other people. You are not ethical. See? Ano ba, for instance naman, mag-shota kayo. Every night, hinihingan mo ng panload yung shota mo. Okay? Every night. Tapos, nagte-text kayong konti, tapos tama na. You are living at the expense of your shota. Unethical ka, boy. Nakita nyo? Alam ba, gusto mong sumikat. Pero along the way, may pinapatay ka, 30,000. See? You live at the expense of mga taong namatay. Pinapatay mo. Hindi ka ethical. So, ang solution therefore to be ethical is do not live at the expense of other people. Yun lang, simple lang. Alam ba, you were invited at a dinner by your shota. Sabi ng shota mo, sige, dinner tayo sa bahay. Pagdating sa dinner, ikaw, ganadong kumain. Pagkatapos mong kumain, hindi pa tapos yung mga kasama mo, nag-toothpick ka agad sa harap, dumighay ka pa. See, you're enjoying your meal, right? At the expense of other people who are within the table. Unethical ka. So that's why, tandaan nyo lang to, do not live at the expense of other people. Para ethical ka parati. Okay? Nakuha nyo, class? Yung standard na yan, ano yan? Pwede mong gamitin in all situations. Pwede mong gamitin. Yung do not live at the expense of other people. Pwede mong gamitin. Kaya, wag na tayo mag-memorize ng what is utilitarian ethics, kung ano, morality, kung, di ba? Ang dami, may Kantian ethics, di ba? Wag na tayo mag-memorize. Ito na lang tandaan nyo. Do not live at the expense of other people. Ethical ka. Ang liwanag, simple lang. Pwedeng gamitin sa politika, pwedeng gamitin sa magulang o sa bahay, no? Sa negosyo. Yung ganong standard. O halimbawa, example, itong si Diskaya, di ba? Yumaman. At the expense of what? Ay, di ba? Maraming biktima, some sort, no? Na, I mean, nagsuffer dun sa mga ghost projects, etc. Makikita mo naman sa news eh. So, yumaman siya at the expense of other people. Di ba? Diba, si Big Soto naman. Tito Soto, si Biko. Nananalo siya. Ha? Pero natural lang ang pinapresenta niya. Honesty, mga ganon. Wala siyang inaapakan. Diba? Kaya ethical siya. So, kung ang lahat ng mga Pilipino, government officials, ay ganito, they do not live at the expense of other people. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Ang ganda. Very simple rule. Do not live at the expense of other people. Okay? O, tandaan nyo mga kasama. Do not live at the expense of other people and everything will be okay for you. Hindi ka ethical na tao. Hindi ka unethical na tao. Okay? Sige, yun na lang muna. Next time pag-uusap naman tayo ng ibang bagay naman. Paisa-isa para sunod-sunod lang to. Ito yung mga natutunan ko, na-accumulate kong knowledge as a professor, as a civic leader, ganun. Marami na akong kinatahan. Kaya gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Pinipili ko lang yung madaling i-share at saka madaling maintindihan. Marami akong experience na medyo malalalim. Pero ito, yung mga madadali lang. O sige, usap tayo, kwentuhan tayo next time. Bye-bye!